Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Surbyavasti, Assistant Professor SIRTE Bhopal. Today, I'm going to teach the topic soil stabilization, which is the topic of subject soil mechanics diploma 4th semester. So let's start. What is the soil stabilization? It is the process of increasing the strength and durability of the soil. Soil stabilization is generally a general term for any physical, chemical, mechanical, or combined method for changing a natural soil to meet an engineering purpose. That means for making it more stabilized, we do the process soil stabilization, and for this purpose, various methods can be used. Those methods can be mechanical method or chemical method. The strength and durability can be increased without adding any chemicals in the soil. That means in mechanical method, we do not add any additive or chemicals to the soil. And in chemical method, the soil stabilization is done with the help of compaction, consolidation, or well grading method. Now, what is compaction? In previous lecture, we have studied the compaction. Compaction is the method of making soil particles more densified. That means when we apply compactive effort on the soil particles comes to the closure state, and due to this, the particle becomes the soil mass becomes more densified. In consolidation, the water expel out from the voids. What is well grading? Well grading is mixing of well grading. What is a well graded soil? We have to know what is a well graded soil. When all size of particles are present in a particular soil, then such kind of soil is known as well graded soil. Why it is required? Because if we mix the coarse grained soil and fine grained soil, the voids among the coarse grained soil will be filled with the fine grained soil, and such kind of soil will be well graded soil, because that will be the particles will be in closure state, voids will be less, and strength will be directly increased. Chemical methods. In chemical method, for increasing the strength and durability of the soil, we add some chemical compounds, and some of them are calcium chloride. Use of calcium chloride. It acts as a water repulsing agent. It is used to stabilize sand in base and surface courses of roads. Use of cement to increase strength and durability of all type of soil except organic clay. Cement slurry can be injected under pressure in the pores. Like if we take the example of various gravity dams, then the cracks can be very dangerous to those dams. For filling those cracks or those voids, we need to apply cement slurry to those cracks under high pressure. And this process is called as cement grouting. For the purpose of cement grouting, the cement requirement depends upon the size of particle. That means if the particles are larger of like coarse grain particles, then we will need cement requirement is only 5% of volume of soil. But if the particles are of fine size, that means clay, then 15% of volume of soil. They need 15%. Why there is a difference in percentage of cement? Because the in fine grained soil, the volume of void is larger than what is coarse grained soil. Use of sodium silicate, NaSiO2. Sodium silicate with calcium chloride is also known as water gas. When we mix sodium silicate with calcium chloride, the precipitation of silica occurs, and this precipitated silica uh, goes through the pores of soil, and due to which the permeability reduces and shear strength increases. Such kind of chemical stabilization is used in sands. Use of bitumen. Bitumen, tar, and emulsions are used to stabilize granular soil deposit and act as a binding material and water repulsing agent. Use of lime. If we talk about use of lime, then hydrated lime is used to stabilize highly plastic clays as black cotton soil. As we know, the black cotton soil consists of mold, modular, and mineral, due to which it has highly shrinkage and silent property. So it is used, hydrated lime is used to stabilize such kind of soil. The volume of lime is required 4 to 6% of volume of soil. Soil stabilization. In soil stabilization, liquid limit decreases and plastic limit increases, and due to this, IP, plasticity index, decreases. Due to this, soil becomes more workable. There is an increase in OMC and decrease in maximum compacted density, but overall strength and durability increases. Lime also increase the unconfined compressive strength as high as 60 times, which is desirable. It also increase the modulus of elasticity. Now let's talk about the use of geomembranes or geotextiles. Geotextiles are artificial geosynthetics made up of poly material having a small thickness. These are man-made, so that as per the requirement of the quality or the characteristics can be controlled. Geotextiles are used to stabilize slopy landfills. These are also used in earthen dams and retaining walls. Geosynthetics. Geosynthetics are human-made material made from various types of polymers, vinyl chloride, polyester, nylon, etc. Used to enhance and make possible cost-effective environment, transportational, and geotechnical engineering construction projects. They are also used to provide one or more of following functions like separation, reinforcement, filtration, drainage, and liquid barriers. Category of geosynthesis we can also study like geotextiles, flexible textiles like fabric and controlled permeability to provide filtration and separation and reinforcement in soil, rock, and waste material. This is the picture of geotextile as they are providing reinforcement to the soil. So soil stabilization is being done. Geomembranes, these are the impervious thin sheets of rubber or plastic materials. Their thickness is 0.5 mm to 3 mm. They are essentially impermeable polymeric sheets used as a barrier for liquid and solid waste containments. In this, they can be used in landfilling lining, canal lining, and tunnel. This is the picture of geomembranes. Now let's talk about geogrids. This is the picture of geogrids. Stiff and flexible polymer grid-like sheets with large apertures used, like they are also used for reinforcement of unstable soil. They also stop soil erosion from the soil. So in words, in like indirectly words, we can say they are providing stabilization to the soil. So this was all about the soil stabilization. We will study the next topic in another video lecture. Okay, thank you.